Alright guys, in this Blender tutorial, we will cover three fundamental transformations: move, rotate and scale. First, we will move the object. To begin, select an object and press G to initiate the movement. You can freely reposition the object using your mouse or constrain the movement to a specific axis for greater precision. Press G, then X to move along X-axis. Similarly, press G and Y to move it along Y-axis, as well as press G and Z to move it along Z-axis. Next, we will rotate the object. Select an object, press R and move your mouse to rotate it freely. To constrain rotation to a specific axis, use R, X, or Y, or Z. For example, I press R and X to move it along, to rotate it along X axis. Similarly, R, Y to rotate it along Y axis, as well as R, Z to rotate it along Z axis. To release the rotation, press right click on your mouse to release the mouse from the object. You can also specify the angle of rotation here. For example, press R, X and then number 45 to rotate it for 45 degree along X axis, as well as R, Y 45, as well as R, Z 45. Now we will adjust the object scale. Press S and move your mouse to resize the object. You can also scale along specific axis using SX, SY or SZ. For example, I press S and X to scale it along X axis, as well as SY to scale it along Y axis. Similarly, SC to scale it along Z axis. To summarize, the shortcut G is used to move the object, R is used to rotate the object, and S is used to scale the object. You can also use object menu transform to access these features. Adding X, Y or Z allows you to constrain each transformation to a specific axis for more precise control. That concludes this Blender tutorial. In the next lesson, we will explore another essential Blender tool.